Hey y'all, it's Tammy with Collard Valley Cooks, and today we're making one of our family favorites. It is a cream cheese pie. It's a no-bake pie, easy to mix up. You can mix it up in 5 minutes using fresh fruit, and today we're using fresh pineapple. To me, this is the best summer pie, hands down. Fast to make, absolutely incredible to eat. You will not be disappointed, I promise. Now you can use canned pineapple or you can use fresh pineapple, whichever one you have. I happen to have a fresh pineapple that is good and ripe. So I am going to slice it up and we're going to make some cubed pineapple for our pie. So you're going to want to take the little brown sections off of it if you use a fresh pineapple. If you're using canned pineapple, you're going to have to drain it. And you want to cut it in little pieces to fold into your pie. And you're going to want at least a cup for it to be delicious of fruit. You can make this pie with any kind of fruit, blueberries, strawberries, pineapple, whatever you like the best. And I love it with fresh fruit. But of course, it would be delicious with canned pineapple too. I am just using a store-bought graham cracker crust. And if you want to go all out and make a beautiful homemade one, you can. This is a simple recipe. No heating up the kitchen in the summertime. You're going to cream a block of cream cheese, 8 ounces of cream cheese, ½ cup of sugar, whatever fruit flavor that you want. We are using pineapple today. So you're going to get pineapple flavored gelatin. If it's strawberry, you're going to use strawberry flavored. Blueberry, you're going to use blueberry flavored, etc. But you do want to try, if you can, to use a fresh fruit. Now this is the pineapple gelatin. I'm going to use 3 teaspoons. So we're going to mix this up until it's nice and blended, and then we're going to add some Cool Whip to it. I've got a big thing of Cool Whip that's 16 ounces, and we're going to put in 2 cups of Cool Whip. I'm just eyeballing it. Now I'm going to use my little spatula. Make sure I get it mixed up in there good. And then we're going to fold in our delicious pineapple. This was my mother's, and she was a caterer. This was her favorite pie recipe. She loved the strawberry this way. And I never fed her the pineapple, but I'm sure she would have loved it. I just actually thought about that today. I was thinking about doing blueberry, and then I thought, I got this fresh pineapple. I think that would be even better. So it's a very delicious pie. The cream cheese is so rich and tasty in it. It tastes like a no-bake cheesecake, really. It's so good. So it's got a very good cheesecake flavor. It's just absolutely delicious, y'all. Just delicious. My kids love this pie too. All right. So now we're going to fold in our pineapple. So you're going to add your fresh fruit. Now, if for some reason you can't get the flavored gelatin, the pineapple I only found at Walmart. If you can't get the flavored gelatin that you want, you don't have to have it. It's just really good with it, okay? So if you find yourself not being able to find it, go ahead and make the pie just with the fresh fruit in it. And it's gonna be good because it's cheesecake. It's delicious. All right, so you're just gonna fold that pineapple in there like that. And now we're gonna put it in the pie crust. Talk about easy. Best ever. Creamy, delicious. With that fresh fruit in there, the pineapple. And if you can't get Cool Whip, like if you're in Australia or somewhere, I don't think I can get the gelatin either. You could use a whipping cream as long as you stabilize it. With a little bit of pudding or something. Y'all probably know how to stabilize it because that's what y'all have to do. My mother was a Cool Whip queen. There was always Cool Whip in her refrigerator, always. Now I'm gonna take some of my Cool Whip, put it in a piping bag, and this is the type of tip, and there are links in the post if you want to get one of these. They're so simple to use. Now let this set up a minute in the refrigerator before we cut into it. We'll wait till Chris gets home. Cut it. So I'm just going to put a nice little border around it with my Cool Whip. Paul is coming over tomorrow to help Chris with a chore at May's house, and so I may make a blueberry one and send home one to him. And if you want to make these ahead of time, even with the fresh fruit in there, I think you could freeze it fine as well. I'm just gonna make a little bitty thing in the middle and put the little pineapples in it. So we're gonna give it a try, y'all. That is good stuff. Y'all are gonna love it with pineapple. It's delicious. To me, this is the best summer pie, hands down. Fast to make, absolutely incredible to eat. You will not be disappointed, I promise. So get in that kitchen and make you one of my cream cheese pies with your favorite fruit this summer. Thanks for watching Collard Valley Cooks, where we cook like our mamas did. All of our information is in the description post for the cookbooks and the kitchen items and everything. Y'all have a great day. See you next time. Bye. Love ya.
Cooking time, it's over now. Tammy, she just showed you how to cook it up like Mama used to do. So go on out and have some fun.